ma Shen, tutorial of Français, Yumi and French. Hello friends, welcome to my channel, French tutorial, Yumi and French. Wish you Happy New Year to all my dear friends. Bonne année à tous mes amis. So, this is 2021. May this year brings you good health, wealth and prosperity. And you will learn French with me in 2021 in Yumi and French with me, Trupti. Isn't it? So, we are welcoming 2021, that is 2021. So, today I will take some simple vocabulary on New Year and we will make some simple sentences. I have taken some simple sentences, that is simple present tense, immediate future and simple future tense. So, as we are learning basic French, so this will be enough for us. So, whenever you have to explain New Year in French, so you will have enough of knowledge. And in Yumi and French, you will learn French in easiest way and with fun. With me, Trupti. So, let's start with vocabulary. So, first word we will take resolution. Don't forget to repeat after me. Okay? Resolution. La résolution. La résolution. La résolution. Then celebration or party is la fête. La fête. I think this word is we have taken already in our previous video. So I think this word is familiar to you. But we will repeat it in this video also. So celebration or party is la fête. La fête. It's easy. La fête. Then New Year. New Year is la nouvelle année. La nouvelle année. La nouvelle année. Then midnight. Midnight, la minuit. It's a cute word. La minuit. Midnight, la minuit. And then countdown. Countdown is le compte à rebours. Quite difficult. Need to practice. Countdown. Le compte à rebours. Le compte à rebours. Best wishes. Les meilleurs vœux. Repeat after me. It's quite a hard word. Les meilleurs vœux. Best wishes. Les meilleurs vœux. Then family. It's easy word. It's a repeated word. Family. La famille. Family. La famille. Family. La famille. Friends. Again it's a repeated word. Easy word. Les amis. Friends. Les amis. Friends. Les amis. And time, which is very important. Time. Le temps. Time. Le temps. Time. Le temps. So, we will make sentence using this vocabulary and some simple tenses. So, get ready. Let's start. I am very excited for New Year. Je suis très excitée pour la nouvelle année. I am going to celebrate New Year with my friends and family. Je vais fêter la nouvelle année avec mes amis et ma famille. It's 11:59 in evening and I'm going to do countdown for New Year. Now listen it carefully. I know it's long sentence but it's very easy. Listen it carefully. Il est 11:59 heures du soir et je vais faire le compte à rebours pour la nouvelle année. Isn't it easy? Just try it. I will give best wishes to everyone at midnight. Je donnerai mes meilleurs vœux à tout le monde à minuit. What will be next sentence? I will say, this year I will respect time. Cette année, je respecterai le temps. What will be next? I am going to make a list of resolution. Je vais faire une liste de résolutions. I will work on my resolution every day. Je travaillerai sur ma résolution tous les jours. So my next sentence is, this year I will spend quality time with my friends and family. Cette année, je passerai du temps de qualité avec mes amis et ma famille. Long sentence, but yet it is simple. So just try it. My next sentence will be, this year I will develop new skills. Cette année, je développerai de nouvelles compétences. And the last sentence is, this year is going to be a healthy, wealthy and happy year for us. Now listen it carefully. Cette année va être une année saine, riche et heureuse année pour nous. It's again difficult, but if you break into words and then make it, it will be super easy. And yes, this year will be happy year for us, isn't it? So I hope you will like my video on New Year. And this was my plan about New Year. What about yours? Tell me in the comment box. And if you have any doubt, feel free to ask me. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till next video, I will meet you so soon. Till then, take care and Happy New Year. Bonne année.